All right, this is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam, our song by ear. This is the great graduation, the culmination. Bonnie lies over the ocean. Wouldn't she be lying under the ocean? I don't know where she'd be. And we're doing the chorus in all five ukulele friendly keys. We're modulating from C to D to F to G to the key of A. Here's our tempo. It's a waltz 130. We're starting in the key of C, two measure intro. A 1, 2, 3. Bring back, bring back, bring back my Molly, Bonnie to me, to me, not Molly. Bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. A7. Bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me. C7. Bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back my Bonnie to me. D7. Bring back, bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back my Bonnie to me. Bring back my Bonnie to me, to me. Bring back, bring